Hey guys, Munz Transgard here with Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group. You know, two of my most recent buyer clients have been renters. In fact, one of them just closed on their new house this morning. And I thought now would be a good time to go over the advantages you gain when you move from renting your own place to owning your own home. When you're renting, you are under a lease agreement, and due to that agreement, you do need to get approval when you want to make any changes to the home. When you make your monthly rent payment, that is not creating any wealth or equity for you, and you have no control over rent fluctuations from year to year. When you move to buy your own home, you are building equity with each mortgage payment you make. Your payment is stabilized. You know what it's going to be month after month, year after year, and you have creative license to do whatever you want to your house. So if you're ready to move from renting your own place to buying a home, get a hold of the Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group and we'd be happy to help you out.